Hello and welcome back. So today I'm really excited to actually make this video, but equally a bit annoyed, but I'll get into that into more detail. So you'll tell by the thumbnail of the video what this is. So let's get it out first. It is a Silver Proof Stephen Hawkins 50p. Now, so why am I a little bit annoyed? Well, we know there's a very, very low mintage on these, which is a shame. So I got up early, arguably not as early as some people. I got into the queue. By the time I got to the front of the queue, they were all sold out, which was quite disappointing. So I did have to actually buy this from eBay, from the secondary market, which is a bit of a frustration to me, because you end up paying an inflated price, and you're ending up funding these people, unscrupulous people who are buying masses of these to then resell instantly. It was literally up on eBay within hours of them selling out, so a bit annoying. And I don't know why the Royal Mint didn't make more of them. I'm sure there is a reason. I hope there is a reason, because is it 5,500 of these? They could have sold tens of thousands of these like they did the Gruffalo. So it's a bit bizarre to me as to why they didn't make more. But in my mind, the only way to stop these people from being able to make a profit off of us actual coin collectors is for the Royal Mint to make enough supply that we don't have to go elsewhere to buy them. So anyway, I'll get that negativity out of the way, get that moan, get that me standing on the soapbox out of the way, and let's get into this. Quite cool packaging, I quite like that. So we've got a fold out. Let's have a little zoom out and see what this all is. Oh wow. So is it explaining what a black hole is then? That's pretty neat. I'll have to look at that in a bit closer detail. I don't think a Royal Mint pamphlet is going to be able to explain to me exactly what a black hole is, if I'm honest. I think that might be beyond my comprehension. So let's look at the actual coin. Wowee. Well, you can't see that. So there we go. Look at that design. Now, I know a lot of people aren't too keen on the design, saying it's a bit lazy. Up in person, it looks stunning. I will say I did like the design from the moment I saw it. Although this bit here, this circular bit, it looked like someone spinning pottery, but now I see it in person. That is beautiful. We've got some sort of equation up there, an equation that's way beyond my comprehension. But how cool is that? So part of the reason I really, really wanted this is because it struck me when I saw the design as being fairly reminiscent of the Isaac Newton design. So the other, that's my favourite 50p. Now these aren't going to be circulated to my knowledge, which is a shame because look how cool that is. And we've just started finding the 2019 Britannia's 2019 shields coming into circulation. So I can't see why they couldn't have made some of these. Maybe that would have been cool. But then again, I'm a coin hunter, so I like the variety of different coins that are in circulation. The more different designs there are, the more there is to hunt and find. But that is very cool. But let me know in the comments, have you bought a bunk one? Have you got a silver one? Did you have to go to eBay to get your one like I had to? Excuse me. What would your suggestion be to the Royal Mint to how we can stop this scourge of scalpers or secondary market, people selling on eBay straight after buying it from the mint? But anyway, I really like that. But also the Strike Your Own is going to change very soon at the Royal Mint. I think it's the 1st of April. So I am planning to go as soon as I can, and I will let you guys know what date I'm going to go as soon as I've booked it up. I think Patrick and I are planning to go, which would be cool. So it's 50p. Maximum coin print mintage 7,000, limited edition presentation 5,500. Okay. That's Quite neat. A bit more information there. Little hologram. Oh, I'm trying not to give away my actual number, in case whoever sold it to me is watching. But overall, what a stunning design. But the Beatrix Potter ones come out this week, I think it was. It might even have been the day this video goes up that they've come out. And I might try and get my hands on some silver ones. I don't know. If I try and get some silver ones this time and I fail to get them, I think I'm going to be a bit upset. But oh well, you live and learn, don't you? Lesson learned, get up early, even earlier, because it would have been worth it getting up at 6 in the morning to get one of these. Look how cool that is. But I know he was tipped to be on one of the new £50 note. They want a scientist on it, so he was tipped as a potential candidate to be on the £50 note. So whether now he's been on a 50p coin, whether he's going to be equally have as equal of a chance of being on the £50 note as well, I don't know. Although this isn't circulating, so you never know. But let me know in the comments. Do you think this should be circulated? I think it's a no-brainer. I think it should be. But I think that's about all I was going to cover in this video. So all that leaves me to do is thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you had more success than I did trying to get one of these from the Royal Mint. And I'll see you next time for more coins. Bye.